Right.
Okay.
All right.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay then. Well, I had 12 years ago, I was sent by my usual dentist to resolve a problem. I'd had a bridge for many years which had broken down, and it was hanging on there for a while, but something quite seriously had to be done. So it was suggested that I came here to BPI Dental, and I had 3 teeth put in on 2 implants. And I have to say, I have been absolutely delighted ever since. The one thing I could never do was bite an apple. Now I can bite as many apples as I want to. The whole process from start to finish was reassuring. I was made to feel comfortable. I was aware of exactly what was happening, and I have been looked after extremely well while I've been here, especially by Dr. Butarubi, who's been absolutely brilliant. Thank you.